What I would probably want, my advice to you and others is I want to create a story. I want to make sense of it. So I need to figure out specifics of your organization. What I would probably first want to ask or figure out, if I don't know already, is who are the developers of the information system, right? I probably want to know that part first. Who are the developers of the information system, right? Who actually builds the system components? Who actually provide information system services? Does that make sense to you?
Yes.
Because now it helps me to dig into the specifics, right?
Yep.
So the developer of our information system, we have a couple of people, right? Timothy's one, right? Tala's another, right? He helped us develop our configuration management database. If I can get the damn thing to work, but right. So we have people that help us develop our system and system components, right? I, in fact, roll my sleeve up and do some development work as well, right? So we are the people that do the development work, right? And my next question will probably be, well, how is it pushed out into production, right? My next question will probably be, how do we get this out into production? How is this released, right? How is this eventually used? I want to know, right? And I think you know how things are pushed out to production here, Jason, right? It goes through a change management procedure,
Correct.
right?
Yep.
Where the change is being submitted as a change request, right? By the developer or the requester of the change. And then once it's approved, that person gets to develop it. And then once they're done, they get to push forward for a change release. And after release, it is now in production, right? So now that I know how the developers get stuff out there and who they are, right? My next question is, how do you guys make sure that the security controls being employed are being described, right?